The people who are identified as a business correspondent and business facilitators will have to go and explain to the rural people not only about the bank product but also as to how they should use it, what are the uses and misuses of that. So in the year 2007, IIBF had started this BCBF training and certification. We have so far trained about 5,000 people all over India, out of which the largest number comes from the state of Andhra Pradesh. The candidates to the examination are being trained by Crux Management, who is our accredited institution. We do a 5-day training in various places in the country. One important thing is the training and the examination and the book are all in the local languages, because the candidates identified by the banks, including State Bank of India, are people who are just past 10th standard and who are willing to contribute to the task of financial inclusion and also gainfully employed in the process. These people use the various methodologies developed by the bank and go and do that. We have published the book in Telugu, which was incidentally released by the Honorable Chief Minister in a state level bankers committee conducted about a few months back, where we are fortunate to participate. The exam is 60 questions examination, which is simple, but we want the candidates to understand that they are representing the bank. Therefore, whatever they promise to the villages and others should be very fine. IIBF is involved in this because we are an institute which is giving education to bankers, and we are doing this examination and the training in the country in 10 languages across the country. We are very happy to participate in this. We have a large task, lots of training has to be completed. NABARD, the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, is also subsidizing the program by giving a portion of the training expenditures they are reimbursing to all the candidates. That means the candidate will not have to put in more efforts or money in this. The training is being supported by the national level institutions. RBI support in this is very phenomenal. The way they guide the people and make BCBF happen and the circulars, we follow all those things while we give a training to the candidates. Thank you.